Hello sewing enthusiasts! I'm Thea and I'm one of the co-founders of Sister Mac Patterns. We are a family-based online shop for DIY sewing patterns, and we believe we all can create high fashion with a lot of creativity, a little bit of guidance and a lot of patience. So if you want to create a new staple for your wardrobe, we've got you covered because we created this little video series about the most technical parts of our style 68.4 jogger pants with zipper and tailored waistband. So grab your fabric and just dive into this video series. Whether you're an experienced seamstress or are just starting out, I hope that it really helps you.
Attach iron-on interfacing to the top of the waistband. Fold the strip for your belt loops in half lengthwise and press. Sew lengthwise and turn using a safety pin. Press belt loop piece well. The seam can be in the middle of the back. Cut strip into 6 equal length pieces. Loops should be a bit longer than the height of the waistband. Mark the position of the belt loops and sew them to the upper edge of waistband. Here is a little tip for you. To achieve even spacing of the loops, temporarily pin the waistband in half, then mark the position of the belt loops evenly on each side. Place inner and outer waistband right sides together with the belt loops in between. Sew along the top edge. Press the waistband, pin the belt loops with a little extra length towards the lower edge of the outer waistband. Secure with needles. Place the outer waistband right sides together along the waistband edge, pin and sew. Trim the edges diagonally. Turn the waistband inside out. Press the seam allowance to the top so that it's hidden inside the waistband. Fold the inner waistband seam allowance inside. Press well. Sew waistband with invisible stitches by hand. Make the buttonhole. Sew on the button.
You enjoyed this video? Then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel because we have a lot of how-to videos and like full tutorials for our patterns. And if you want to hunt for more styles, then go to sistermacpatterns.com, or you can also dive into our Instagram channel at sistermacpatterns. But now don't forget to watch the next video with the next technical part.